Imagine you're a busy student, juggling multiple projects, assignments, and deadlines. Or maybe you're a professional managing a team, coordinating tasks, and tracking progress. How do you keep everything organized and on track? That's where Trello comes in. In this video, we're going to answer the question, is Trello free on iPhone? But before we dive into that, let's explore what Trello is and why it's so popular. What is Trello? Trello is a visual collaboration tool that helps you organize tasks, projects, and ideas into boards. It's like having a digital whiteboard where you can create cards, add labels, and assign due dates. Think of it as your personal productivity assistant. Key features of Trello. Boards. These are the main organizational units in Trello. Each board can represent a project, team, or personal goal. Cards. Cards are like sticky notes where you can add details, attachments, and checklists. Lists. Lists are columns within a board where you can group related cards. Labels. Labels are color-coded tags that help you categorize and prioritize cards. Due dates. Set deadlines for cards to stay on top of your tasks. Attachments. Add files, images, and other documents to your cards. Checklists. Create checklists within cards to break down tasks into smaller steps. Is Trello free on iPhone? Yes, Trello is completely free to use on your iPhone. You can download the Trello app from the App Store and start creating boards, cards, and lists right away. There's no cost associated with using the basic features. Benefits of using Trello on iPhone. Accessibility. Trello is always at your fingertips, allowing you to access your boards and tasks whenever you need them. Real-time updates. Stay synchronized with your team members, as changes made on the web or other devices are reflected instantly on your iPhone. Mobile-friendly interface. Trello's app is designed for easy navigation and use on smaller screens. Offline access. Even without an internet connection, you can view and edit your boards, ensuring you can stay productive on the go. Additional features and considerations. Trello Premium. While the basic version of Trello is free, there's also a premium subscription that offers additional features like advanced search, custom backgrounds, and unlimited storage. Third-party integrations. Trello integrates with popular productivity tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, enhancing its functionality. Customization. You can customize Trello to match your personal preferences, including choosing different board themes and backgrounds. So, is Trello free on iPhone? Absolutely. It's a powerful and versatile tool that can help you stay organized, productive, and on top of your tasks. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply looking for a better way to manage your life, Trello is a great option. With its user-friendly interface, mobile compatibility, and free basic plan, there's no reason not to give Trello a try. Download the app today and start organizing your world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and reviews.